Hi. Every beginning starts from the root. Yes, roots are very important, and then if you have strong roots, you can actually build a big castle. KSG believes in the system, and that is why we are focused on the root of your preparation. And for any competitive examination these days, we see general studies is becoming increasingly more important. And as you grow, as you go for higher courses, you study different segments, different disciplines, like you study history, economics, technology, mathematics, medicine, law, and whatnot. But you start getting specialized, and in the process, get detached from the general studies and their exposure. Remember, the last time you had a general studies exposure was at the time when you were in schools, when you were actually given exposure of every different subject. And today, when you are deciding to go for writing competitive examination in the country, you again have to be reminded of the roots that you come from, that is the schools and the school textbooks. In this backdrop, the KSG has conceived of a program which has been very well received across the country, and then I have been getting lots of mails and then positive response from the students who have gone through that. The course is called NEEV. This is one course where you are taken through the textbooks of the schools. You may be knowing that NCERT is a big treasure house of information, and those information actually get faded as you pass in time, as you specialize. Once again, it is important that we get back to them, learn from the live classes, all those textbook informations which is important and relevant for the current domain. But there are lots of issues that need to be understood here, and we try to cater them as part of our NEEV courses, is that when we have to read NCERT, everybody knows that we have to read NCERT. Which one we should read? Like we should read old ones and new ones. Is that NCERT is the only source, or we should go for some other boards, state boards, and the books recommended by them? Or we should go for repeat reading the same thing, because we see in school books there's a lot of repeats that happen. 7th gets repeated in 9th, 8th gets repeated in 10th, and likewise. Also, how to make notes out of them. And these books definitely were not written for you for the competitive examination. So what to pick and what to leave from these books? The course that we have got in the form of NEEV basically tries to address all of them. It'll make a discipline for you through a live class that we conduct that will take you through those relevant portions and those portions which you need now for your competitive examination, civil services, and many more examinations where general knowledge and general studies is required. This course covers the entire NCERT from 6th through 12th standards, and all the important things that you require for general studies is essentially contained in this course. In fact, we also get you a support of mentorship. We have exclusive mentorship sessions which is organized, support given in the form of note making. We also give material which is taken out of these textbooks of NCERT. One always struggles as to how to organize the information that is spread across different NCERT books. This course would ensure that you have got a systematic, organized note prepared at the end of the day, which would be a ready reference for you to write the big examinations that you are aiming at. And also, most important, and that's where KSG specializes in, it helps you ensure that you have got information in useful form by our own retrieval tools that we have got. Not that you will be taken through regular tests, that even after the course gets over, you have got a scheme of tests that will be taking place, and then through those tests, we would ensure that the information that you've acquired, they stay fresh. NEEV is an NCERT school textbook based course where you find that all the information that is relevant for you at this time of competitive examination, it is organized in a systematic manner, provided to you, and also you have internalized them so that you can retrieve in time. Don't forget, we ensure that you acquire the information at a stage where it is in a retrievable state, where you can possibly take out of your mind, and this we ensure through our own POD techniques, proof of delivery techniques, when we ask tests based on the information that we have provided. It's going to discipline you in learning the NCERT, because mostly all the people know that NCERTs are important. We buy them, but we never go through them. And here, in a very, very disciplined manner, over a definite period of number of days, you would be taken by a mentor through all the books, and we ensure that you have acquired for the examination. And definitely, it is one right place to start for preparing for the bigger competition that you have got aim at. I think it is important that you start investing some time, especially for the students who are doing some courses like they are going to college or they are planning to take up the competition in a few months' time. It is a good point to start, and then you must invest in self and you must start at the root, and that is what is needed if you are deciding to go for a competitive examination. For the students who are yet to decide about which examination to go for the students who are yet to decide about when to give these examinations or the competitive examinations, for the students who are willing to really take up their career in a serious manner, this is the course called NEEV at KSG, which is where you would find a beautiful starting point, and that would ultimately deliver in time the task that you are looking forward to, the competitive examination. NEEV is the right place to start. My best wishes are with you.